Thousands of New York police officers, firefighters, and other city employees, well, they marched over the Brooklyn Bridge. They blocked traffic. They were protesting the mayor's vaccine mandate.
They blocked the Brooklyn Bridge. Citywide mandates got everybody upset. People just don't want to lose their jobs over a shot. They also want their freedom back.
Protesters taking to the streets of Seattle overnight. One group stopping traffic, blocking a freeway. That really gets the public on their side.
When you start telling people they don't have sovereignty over their own body and their wards of the state, it's going to hit the fan.
The minute someone steps in the street, blocks traffic, and breaks the law, I'm sorry, but you're going to have to go to jail.
Hundreds of teachers today protested New York City Mayor Bill de Blasio's new vaccine mandate, blocking traffic of law-abiding, productive citizens just trying to actually support their families.
Police, fire, first responders all marching across the Brooklyn Bridge to stand opposed to New York Mayor Comrade de Blasio and Biden's vaccine mandates.
We have angry mobs of left-wing protesters in Portland, Oregon, recently blocking traffic.
These demonstrations, they were ignored pretty much completely by legacy media. The governor of Florida, Ron DeSantis, would also make it a felony to block traffic during protests so that, say, ambulances could get by. Remember ambulances?